Bakey, guys. Monger coming at you from Thailand. Hope you guys are all doing well today. And I'm going to give you guys a quick update on what I've been doing in the past day with a little bit of trading and along with my Bitcoin short that you know that I've all been in. So let's go ahead and get into it right now and take a look at what Bitcoin is doing. Our beloved Bitcoin. So we can see right now Bitcoin is trading at 87.8, and we're talking like smack dab, not quite smack dab. Let's look at this. It's trading on the near the mid range of this zone that I've outlined here. You can see this blue zone here, and the middle of the exact middle of that blue zone is sitting at like 88.4. Okay, so you know, we've been trading in the lower half of that zone quite a bit. As you can see, it pops up occasionally. And it's starting to come up. As we can see, it touched down here. I talked about taking a long position here, if you remember from a couple days back, and writing that up, which you could have done. I'm in that short, though. I did take profits like right around in here because we are getting near that Santa rally, and based on my research, 78 to 79% of the time, the Santa rally happens. So, you know, I like those odds, and I think that for the next, till the end of the new year, first couple trading days of the new year, generally speaking, the stock markets go up, and if that's the case, Bitcoin will go up too, guys. Remember, I talk about Bitcoin being your North Star, but it is also very much correlated to stocks. Even though stocks have been ripping and Bitcoin has gone down and sideways, if the stock markets puke, Bitcoin will puke too. Trust me, guys. I think, the ETF holders are the new buyers now. And some people think that a lot of these, that it's BlackRock and these big institutions, but you know what? Right now, it's not. It's the people that are buying the BlackRock ETF, not BlackRock itself. So that should be pretty clear. But we'll see how it goes into it. I am optimistic on Bitcoin going into 2026, since 2025 was such a abysmal year compared to the rest of the markets. Now, I'm only optimistic on Bitcoin if the other markets stay up and don't crater. Now, if they crater, like I said, Bitcoin will crater as well. But I do expect Bitcoin to outperform stocks in 2026. And we'll see if there's a crash in 2026. Maybe it happens after the midterms, but I do believe that Trump and his buddies will juice the markets going into the midterms. And by adding a massive amount of money, stimmy, whatever, stealth QE, lower interest rates, all of that stuff is looking bullish for Bitcoin. So we'll see. But in the meantime, I exited that short. I'm not in a long position right now. I'm looking to short Bitcoin again when we get if we get a Santa rally. Now, if Bitcoin were to not get that Santa rally, where would I enter? Well, after that time frame, I would probably just enter a trade of wherever it is after that. But if I wanted to, pick a line in the sand, if it goes above, if it gets above 90K and it starts to break black below 90K, I would be entering a short there. And if you miss that, then the next key level of interest, if it breaks below 86.8, that would be another area in which I would be looking to add to my position, because this has been such a strong resistance level, guys. I mean, it's bounced off of it so many times, so if it breaks below this, it's most likely going to be coming down to the 85K mark, 85.1, and then possibly 80, and then the next mark would be 75K. All right, so there you have it on the Bitcoin and what I've done. So yesterday, I identified a couple, shorts, and they were a little bit more risky because I kind of came late into them. But anyways, let me show you my results here. So here we have this one. This one had a little pump yesterday. I jumped into it and I sniped it, 11% profit. Not a bad little chunk of money. And where's my other one? Here's my other one. Yeah, I jumped into this one too. This is World Mobile Token. And I got into this one a little quite late. But, so I didn't get as much profit. But hey, again, 17% in a day. On my shorting, I'll take it every day of the week. And as you guys know, I am still in my pippin trade. And I will keep that one open. I haven't closed that position. It's up over, around 100% in profit already. And if it goes back up to those levels, like around 53 cents, I will be adding to my bag more, because I have conviction that that little stinky, shitty unicorn meme coin that doesn't have legs, and it will continue to drop. Look back at my videos if you want to get my price targets on that one. All right, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Monger on.